In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save favorite places to custom lists in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your computer or mobile device and search for the place you want to save. Once you select the location, tap or click the place card to open its details. Next, look for the Save button, usually shown as a bookmark icon, and tap it. You'll now see different list options like Favorites, Want to Go, or Starred Places. To create a custom list, select New List. Give your list a name, add a short description if you want, and choose whether it's private, shared, or public. After that, tap Create, and the place will be saved to your new custom list. You can access all your lists anytime by opening the Save tab in Google Maps. You can also add multiple places to the same list later just by repeating this process. And that's it. You've successfully saved favorite places to custom lists in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.